Welcome to the world of Bangalore Watch Company. If you've just purchased a Peninsula watch, congratulations. Today, I will walk you through the function, care, and maintenance of your new Peninsula watch. Your Peninsula watch comes with a Swiss Sellita automatic movement SW200-1. It has a simple setup. There are 3 hands for time telling: an hour hand, a minute hand, and a seconds hand. You also have a date complication at the 6 o'clock position of the dial with the date window neatly cut out. You'll notice that the Peninsula watch has a single crown at the 3 o'clock position to set the time and date. This is a screwed down crown, which means it is securely screwed in by default to guarantee your 200-meter water tightness. To set the time, first unscrew the crown by turning it counterclockwise until it pops out slightly. Once unscrewed, we can gently pull the crown to its 3rd position to adjust the time. In the 3rd position, turn the crown counterclockwise again. As you do, the hands will move clockwise. Set the time to your desired local time and push the crown back in to the 2nd position. You will hear a visible click. With the crown in the 2nd position, turn it to advance the date. You'll see that the date change in the date window near the 6 o'clock position as you move the crown clockwise. Once the time and date are set on the watch, push the crown back to the 1st position and screw it in a clockwise direction to wind the watch. After you wind the watch, push your crown in and screw it clockwise to screw it back in and secure the crown. Your watch is now ready to go. Please avoid changing the time and date manually between 10 o'clock at night and 2 o'clock in the morning. And this is the time where the automatic date change mechanism is active and it might cause inadvertent damage to your movement. Once your watch is fully wound, it has 41 hours of power reserve. You can extend the functioning time of your watch by continuously wearing the watch on your wrist or by simply winding the crown if the watch happens to stop when it runs out of power. Automatic watches have more than 100 moving parts. Because of the micromechanics involved, there is a risk of exposure to strong magnetic fields. Magnetic fields are all around us today, in televisions, smart home speakers, and more devices. And they affect the timekeeping of your automatic watch. So we recommend that you keep your watch away from these devices to avoid strong magnetic fields and exposure to your automatic watch. Your Peninsula watch is built with a water resistance rating of 200 meters. This water tightness depends on the condition of the gaskets inside the crown, between the crystal and the case, and in the case back. A rating of 200 meters makes your watch suitable for swimming or for showers and for light water sports. But keep in mind that hot showers, steam, or a pool chlorine can damage the gaskets over time and reduce the water tightness rating of your watch. Always make sure the crown is fully screwed in and locked to prevent water or moisture from entering the case. If water or moisture gets inside, it can damage the movement of your watch. Hand sanitizers have become indispensable after the pandemic. But we've noticed that exposure to hand sanitizers deteriorates the enamel paint on the back of the case and sometimes causes stains on the crystals too. So we always recommend that if you're carrying hand sanitizers, also carry some dry paper towels and wipe off any residue from your watch case or from your crystals. Owning an automatic watch is just like having a nice car. It needs to be serviced from time to time. Our recommended service interval for your Peninsula watch is once every 4 years. And if you're wearing your watch as a daily driver, we recommend getting it serviced even before the recommended service interval. When it's time for a general service, give us a call, book an appointment, and enjoy your Peninsula for many more years.